Hello everyone, my name is Jimit Doshi and I am working with a product based organization named Advisor 360 in Bangalore. In my 8+ years of experience as an SDT, I have worked with a few amazing organizations like Oracle, Cisco, IBM Cloud, beyond being your instructor for mastering API automation with Python and BDD framework. I'm also a testing enthusiast. I am passionate about API testing and excited to share my knowledge and experience with you all. Whether you are an experienced engineer or new to this field, I am here to guide you on your API automation journey. Okay, so let's get ready to master in demand skills and take your API testing expertise to the next level. Thank you.